Welcome to tutorial on how to use Trello. So today we are going to talk about how to create a workspace using Trello and also how to create a board, add card and tags and checklists and cover picture, and the list goes on. First of all, we'll start from how to create a workspace using Trello. So when you log into your Trello account, you click on create. Under create, you see different options. You go straight to create workspace. You can use different options. You can start with the template or create a board, but we're going to start from create a workspace. So you click on the workspace, then you can put in the workspace name. You choose the kind of type of workspace you want to work with. Then you can add description to it. When you're done, you click on continue. But I already have a workspace that we're going to work with, so that's why I'm not putting all of this. But you can see how to create your own workspace. When you're done, you come in here under workspace. You're going to see the workspace that you created. So here I already have a workspace, like I said earlier. So I'm going to work with Synergy Team C for a workspace I created under the workspace. So we are going to see how to add a board to your workspace. So under here, under your workspace, if you want to add a board to your workspace, you come on this plus sign, you click on the plus sign, you add your board title. You under your workspace, of course, it's already highlighted. Then you click on the visibility. You want your workspace to be public or private. So public means anybody with this link can access it, while private means anybody that joins this link, you can accept the person if the person is in your team or decided not to accept the person. So like this one is a private workspace. You can choose your option from there. When you're done, you click on when you're done creating your workspace, you click on create. Once you click on create, you see your workspace here. Like as you can see, I already have a workspace that I want to work with. So I'm going to go ahead to click on the workspace. I've clicked on the workspace I want to work with. So you can see under the board I want to work with rather. So under the body, you're going to see you're going to add a title. Okay, let's say you want to add a title to this board. Tax, can add tax for here. Then you create your board. You create your board. Then under the board, you can add card add card to it. This card means tax you want to give to your team. So you can add tax to it. So yeah, I already have a tax that I assigned to my team. As you can see, I have this cover page. So I'm going to show you how to do all of that. So let's click on the tax. Under the tax, let's click on the tax for more details. So under the card, you see the name of the card is first project. You can see the members. This is the option to add members to your team. See, as you can see, I already added members already. You can add label, checklist. Checklist means like as you can see, this is the checklist. Checklist is the list of things, the tasks that you want your members to perform. So as you can see, they're already done with the first tasks are assigned to them. That's why all of it is complete, is marked complete, checked complete. You can add as many task items under the checklist as you want. And under it, you can see all the activities on this board. You can see all the activities. You can see the uploads, the upload I made. You can add members, add labels, add checklists, add due date of the task. You want the date and the time you want the task to be due. You can add add location, attach. Everything is here. You can see all the options. It's well highlighted. You can automate these tasks. How do you want it to be done and everything? You can share it, archives, and do a lot more. You can add this. You can change this cover page if you want. You can change it on this option. You can change it to color, or you can upload your image here. You can do a whole lot more with this board if you want. You can, when you're done with the task, you can archive it by right click on your